now that you have your eyebrows the way you like, I'm gonna go in with a lighter color. This is Toffee, and I'm gonna go right underneath my brow just to highlight it and intensify that shape a little bit. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna just go right underneath my eyebrow, and I'm gonna look over here to just see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna go right underneath my eyebrow, and I'm gonna just bring it up here too. Okay, I'm gonna go closer. Can't see. Okay, now my eyebrows are just the way I want them to be. They're a little thick for me, but you know, I've been growing out my eyebrows, so they're not gonna be any smaller than they usually are because I haven't gotten them done in a couple months. So just blend out your eyebrows. This is not an eyebrow tutorial anyways, but I guess you guys get 2 in 1 today. I could do an in-depth eyebrow tutorial if y'all would like, you know. Okay. Ooh. My eyebrows are the way that I want. So now, I shall be right back. So I think I might have to change my idea on my look, but we're still gonna try and make it work. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to do the cut crease because I can't find my glitter primer. So, which is, you know what, that's a whole nother story. But I think I'm gonna do another look, but you guys probably saw it in the beginning anyways, so I'm just kind of upset now because I was trying to do, I'm still gonna try to do something pink, but it could still work out. Okay, so boom. I am, all right, let me figure it out. Okay, this is what it looks like when I'm not prepared on what makeup look I'm gonna totally do. So I'm gonna go in with this concealer again, and I don't have a primer for eyeshadow. I need to invest in one. Yeah, I just need to invest in one. But I'm gonna take this concealer and I'm gonna put it on my eyelid. This is just my process. If you want to use an actual primer, because primers help like kind of intensify the colors on your eyeshadow, especially if you are of darker skin tone. But I'm just gonna take this and I don't know, I'm just gonna use it because it's gonna help it pop a little bit more, and I'm just gonna blend it with this brush. Got it from Amazon.
Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb the way you dress and gone.
And I'm not a makeup artist, you know. I can do makeup really well on myself, and you know, I can finesse on people too, but I wouldn't consider myself a makeup artist. Like, I am still learning, and I still want my makeup to be, I still want to work on my makeup skills, and I want it to be
I mean,
better.
blemish, make amends. No, you can. I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go in,
we do eyeshadow before foundation, okay? We do not do eyeshadow after foundation, we do it before. So I'm gonna take this palette. This is the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I just be using any brush that makes sense in my mind. So I'm going to take this color Supreme right here. It's like a pinkish kind of color. I don't know if it's really focusing well. Okay, it's a pinkish kind of color. And I'm gonna blend that into my crease. I'm going to blend this pink color into my crease like so. This is gonna be my transition color, I guess. I'm just gonna blend that in.
told you so extra, but I know I'm the same.
Okay, I think I'm actually gonna go in with a darker color. I'm gonna go in with this color right here too, and I'm just gonna kind of work with it until I like what I see. So I'm gonna use the same brush because we don't care over here, okay? I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna go into here and I'm gonna keep on blending that.
Can we stay happy? I'd rather be on that way, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of
I'm gonna do the same to the other eye. I'm gonna go in with Supreme first.
If you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night.
I'm gonna go with the other color on the outer crease of my eye. I should have took my eyeshadow off. So I'm gonna do the same thing and I'm gonna blend it into the Supreme color. And this will be pretty much our base for what I'm going for.
Good till we act right. So tell me what we on the day, babe. I could keep that same energy when you go.
See it? Like, I'm not sure. Let's just trust the process. Now I'm gonna go in with this bigger, fluffier brush and I'm just gonna blend everything a little bit more so it can be more
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go on.
So that is blended for me. So I think I need to go a little bit darker if I'm going to, well, I need more, I don't know, I just need more eyeshadow. So
Under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb the way you dress and go.
And this color is really good for my dark skinned girls. Like if you're wondering what palettes to use to really show on your skin tone, the Jackie Aina Beverly Hills and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette is a really good one. Okay, now I'm gonna go in again with my blending brush and I'm gonna just blend it again.
We could go all night. Do we heal? Do we bleed?
So I'm gonna do a cut crease. So this is also a brush from Amazon. I'm gonna take this color again and I'm gonna do a cut crease on my eyes because we're just gonna go a little dramatic today. I want to show you guys what I can really do with makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna start from here and I'm just going to, you know, put it in my crease. That's why it's called a cut crease.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. 'Cause when it pop off, it's
so I have the James Charles palette and this looks more purple now, but you get what you get and you don't get upset. All right, this is still Valentine's Day. I'm gonna go in with this color. I do not know what is, ew, my dry finger. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Ew. So I'm gonna go in with this color right over here, okay? This color, this is pink, kind of like, you know. I'm gonna go in with that. I'm put that all up in my crease. Wherever I put the concealer, that's where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna use this kind of like flat brush to do it. I'm gonna pat my brush in here. And I'm just going to start putting it on my eye. Ooh, ooh, that's kind of bright. We're gonna blend it though, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's kind of bright. What I hate about the James Charles palette is that it is a little bit splotchy, so I'm, girl, it may be this brush. The James Charles cap, no, he's not working out. So we're gonna do that again because the James Charles, that color is a bit too splotchy for me. It's not smooth enough and it's messing up my cut crease. So I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna redo my cut crease.
share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go on. We could it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
Maybe I should go in with a lighter pink. We're gonna go to my trusty Juvias palette because she never disappoints, okay? This is Masquerade Mini by Juvia. And I think I'm going to go into Bori, okay? I'm gonna go into that and we're gonna see if that works. So I'm gonna go into that. It kind of has like little glitter pieces. Hopefully it looks fire with this color. Okay.
Castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem. Let's make amends. No, you can't. I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal? Do we bleed? I'ma follow you.
We're gonna go in with this color. The name is Jezebel. Okay, we're gonna go in with that. And I'm gonna put that in my outer corner right here. I'm gonna put that in my outer corner. That I think is to my liking. So now I'm gonna go the extra mile and take this heavy metal. This is by Urban Decay. This is just their heavy metal glitter eyeliner, and I'm gonna put it on my crease. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna go again on this side. And I'm just gonna focus on the crease.
Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that
angled brush right here. I'm trying not to move my eyelid too much. I'm gonna go in with the pink since it is still wet.
We stay happy. I'd rather be on that way, trying to control our emotions. If we on a rise,
I'm gonna go in with this brush. Now this brush, I'm going to add a little bit of eyeshadow because we still must blend. I mean, I feel like I should do that. That's just a personal preference. Yes, I feel like I should do that. Okay, that is good enough for me. So I'm gonna apply some mascara for when I have to do my lashes. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared for the lashes because I don't know how to put on lashes, but I'm just gonna apply some. I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm doing my makeup. I will fast forward through that.
But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay happy? I'd rather be on that wave, trying to control our emotions. If we on a right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress and gone. Flex and hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage. You got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating different, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem, let's make amends. No, you can't, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Okay guys, so that was pretty much the makeup look. I don't mind my lashes because I cannot put on lashes. It's a miracle I even got them on. But this is pretty much the makeup look. This was pretty much the makeup look. Don't mind my lashes. I don't even like these that were used today in the video. Will be linked below in the description bar. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are able to follow along, and see you next time.
Night, we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy when you go low.